Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram and go to your profile. Then here, tap the three lines menu at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. And scroll down and tap Account Center. And click Your Information and Permissions. And here, choose Download your information or export your information and select your Instagram account, then request a copy of your data. And Instagram will send you a file containing your account information, including deleted chats and messages if available. And note that you can't directly restore chats inside the Instagram app once deleted, but you can retrieve and view them using the data download method. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.